Di ba ako to star? Kung sakali ang nawala. Hi, Dewa. Hi, Dodo. Na Annabelle Shaw. Thank you, the F. Anyo nga sa'yo, Carl. Hi, Koga. Bakit ganon? Bakit ayaw ng favorite filter ko? Bakit may lock siya? Ba't di naman naka-indicate? Bakit ayaw niya? Kanya na lang tayo ngayon. Hi, Andy. Hi, Annabelle. Gilo, hello. Hi, AJ. Alipin, hello. Ako alipin ng pag-ibig. Hi, Dreamers Funk. Wait. Tingnan natin kung naalala. Asian plus 3, China, Japan, South Korea. Yung Asian 5 is Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. May natutunan naman ako. Saan na ako kanina? Hi, Ricom. Thank you, the F. Ayaw ng filter ko eh. Yung favorite filter ko na may heart na lumalabas. Ewan. Hi, Chubedan. Villanueva, hello. Hi, Lawrence. Lawrence Nightingale. Hi, Florence pala yun. Walang kung makapag-live pa ako yun. Star. Hi, Sleepy. Culture regions. Areas with shared cultural traits. Hi, no name. Cultural diffusion is the spread of cultural traits. Spread of the cultural traits, cultural diffusion. It na-spread yun through migration or adoption. Cultural ecology is the relationship between society and environment. Relationship between society and environment, cultural ecology. Yung pag-spread ng culture, cultural diffusion. Cultural regions, yun yung shared cultural traits. Culture shock, disorientation, when unable to interpret its surroundings. It is common in foreign travel. Disorientation, culture shock. Acculturation is the major cultural modification after contact with another culture. Major cultural modification, acculturation. Judging others using one's own culture, ethnocentrism. Major cultural modification after contact with another culture, acculturation. Ethnocentrism, ito yung judging others' culture, judging others